In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners of 2024. Whether you're looking to boost fuel efficiency, improve engine performance, or just keep your vehicle running smoothly, these cleaners have you covered. We've researched the best options to help you choose the right one for your car. Let's get started and find the perfect fuel injector cleaner to keep your engine in top shape. Number 5. The Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner, 12 ounces, pack of 1, is a highly effective solution for restoring fuel economy and enhancing engine performance. Designed to work in just one tank, it actively cleans injectors and improves your car's efficiency as you drive. This formula is also crafted to remove water, which helps prevent gas line freeze, a crucial benefit in colder climates. Safe for catalytic converters and oxygen sensors, Techron is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, ensuring comprehensive engine care. Users praise its performance, with one noting they use it every 7,000 to 10,000 miles to maintain a clean fuel system and save on gas. Another reviewer saw immediate results, with just half a tank clearing their car's rough idle. For anyone looking to boost vehicle efficiency, Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner is a smart choice for affordable and convenient maintenance. Number 4. The Gumout 51001-3 High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner, 6 ounces, pack of 6, is specifically designed for engines with over 75,000 miles, making it ideal for maintaining older vehicles. This cleaner effectively removes carbon deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports, preventing future buildup. Its benefits include maximizing fuel economy, enhancing engine performance, and reducing emissions. Additionally, it's safe for oxygen sensors and can be used in turbocharged and supercharged vehicles. Users report positive experiences, with one noting that their 2007 Toyota truck has been running smoothly with no rough idling or injector replacements after consistent use of this product. They attribute this cleaner to keeping their injectors free of contaminants. Another user highlighted the product's affordability, noting they purchased it in a cost-effective 2-pack and appreciated the fast delivery. Overall, Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner is a reliable option for long-term engine health and improved performance. Number 3. Hot Shot's Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment is a powerful 6-in-1 additive designed to keep diesel engines running smoothly. This 32-ounce fuel treatment boosts cetane levels by up to 7 points, enhancing fuel economy and performance. With each use, it cleans both internal and external injector deposits, increases lubricity to protect the fuel system, and prevents rust and corrosion. Easy to use at every fill-up, this formula also stabilizes fuel to prevent degradation. Users have praised its effectiveness, with one noting improved MPG and quieter engine performance. Another reviewer, who tracks their mileage closely, reported significant fuel savings after using Hot Shots. Overall, it's a top choice for diesel engine care. Number 2. The Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner, 5.25 ounces, 6-pack, is a versatile solution for improving engine performance and fuel efficiency. This cleaner not only keeps the fuel system clean, but also lubricates upper cylinders, reducing friction and wear. By neutralizing low-sulfur fuel issues, it helps extend the life of pumps and injectors, while also boosting power and miles per gallon. Users report smoother engine performance, quieter operation, and improved fuel economy. It's easy to use. Simply add to the fuel tank and consistently delivers results, making it a top choice for reliable engine maintenance. Number 1. The STP Super Concentrated Fuel Injector Cleaner, 5.25 fluid ounces, pack of 12, is a powerful, easy-to-use solution for maintaining engine performance. It works by unclogging dirty fuel injectors, helping to restore lost power and acceleration, while also removing harmful deposits that can affect engine efficiency. Additionally, it's compatible with capless gas systems, making it suitable for modern vehicles. Regular use can improve fuel economy, with users reporting better mileage and noticeable performance gains. One user, who's been using it monthly, observed improved gas mileage in their 2018 model. Another noted enhanced performance and a smoother engine sound in both their car and boat. With a flash point of 44 degrees Celsius, This fuel injector cleaner is both safe and effective for routine engine care. Overall, STP's fuel injector cleaner is ideal for anyone seeking a budget-friendly and reliable way to boost vehicle performance and extend engine life. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners of 2024. We hope this helped you find the right cleaner for your vehicle's needs. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which cleaner you're excited to try. Safe driving, and see you next time.